Still tracking a dangerous situation across our southeastern Kentucky counties. If you've been up with me overnight, especially on social media, Twitter specifically, you've seen some of the numbers coming out of southeastern Kentucky we're going to talk about. But there are locations that have seen over a half a foot of rain overnight and are dealing with some dangerous flash flooding. Here in Lexington, it's overcast. We've got light rain that's ongoing, but the scattered showers down south become more numerous into eastern Kentucky. And right here is the main zone where we've had some of the heaviest rain, from Owsley County, southern Breathitt County, where the rain has backed off for the time being, right down through Perry County, Knott County, and on it, northern Letcher County. You've got heavy rain out there. So ongoing flash flood warnings, but also a flash flood emergency for those counties that I just outlined into our southeastern Kentucky viewing area. And then you've got an active flash flood warning that runs from Taylor County, Campbellsville, east to southern Garrett County. The flood watch has been extended into our southeastern counties through tomorrow evening. Still goes through 11 a.m. here in Lexington. But right there is the trouble spot, that purplish bullseye into our southeastern counties. The rainfall via the Kentucky Mesonet. Jackson's had 5.6 inches at the Mesonet site over the last 24 hours. We've had 0.2 of an inch, to put it into perspective, here in Lexington. And radar estimates now showing anywhere between about 8 to 9 inches of rain on the high end. If you remember earlier in the week, St. Louis got inundated with some just torrential rainfall. These are numbers pretty much about what they saw, with just unbelievable numbers coming out of Perry County specifically. You can see that 9.1 inch radar estimated total around Hazard. Ongoing, life-threatening, dangerous flash flooding down there. And it's not just there, but it runs through Knott County over into Letcher County, and also from Owsley County east. As you get down into parts of Clay County, they've been hit hard. Some of the numbers over the past 48 hours from the Kentucky Mesonet show Breathitt County's had 8.78 inches of rain. So this is extremely hazardous. If you're in any of those communities, we've talked about flood safety, the difference between a flood watch or a flood warning. Well, the watch means conditions are favorable, which we've been in much of this week. The warning means that the flooding is ongoing, and they have seen it happening already into our southeastern counties, enough so that there's a flash flood emergency in those few counties, meaning it is a particularly dangerous situation related to flash flooding. These are the numbers you heard Chris and Dia talking about as far as power outages go. Just to put it into perspective, Hindman down in Knott County, 4,000 without power, 3,000 in Perry County. As you get down around Hazard, in surrounding counties still have outages as well. The rain will gradually work its way east, that I just showed you on the Max Track, and diminish by later on today. It may not completely go away, but it should be limited in its extent and coverage and intensity. But then later on tonight into tomorrow, we'll likely have a renewed shot coming in. So it could be a fairly quiet afternoon, early evening here, with some lingering showers and storms, but then more widespread showers and storms as a cold front drops through tomorrow. You can see them firing back up again and dropping south. So we're not out of the woods as far as this rain threat is concerned until tomorrow night, when that front drops through. The flood watch goes by the wayside. And Saturday, we could actually see a break in the action. The 8-day forecast shows that. The rain chance slowly backing off. But again, if you're in any of those southeastern counties affected by that flash flooding, dangerous situation for you. We'll keep an eye on that and just remain weather aware as we go through the morning.